Is your browser redirecting you to another web page while browsing the internet? In this video, you will know how to remove Google Redirect virus from your PC. Before we start this guide, press the like button and subscribe to our channel in case you forget later. What is a Google Redirect virus? A redirect virus infects the browser and redirects users to unknown websites. The infection could be in the form of a program that seems useful and trustworthy but contains the redirect virus. It could also enter when you install a shady extension or add-on in the browser. However, the most common redirect virus is seen on web pages. Many illegal websites, such as pirated software, movies, songs, and game downloading sites, use the redirect virus to monetize their site. They willingly infect their site with this virus and earn money when a user gets redirected to other sites. The infected site may redirect the user when they click on the page or after a certain time interval. The pages to which it redirects you contain other dangerous malware. It could trick users into downloading a fake antivirus, browser extensions, and fake updates which may further infect your PC. The redirect virus is not just irritating, but it is also dangerous. Redirect viruses in the form of applications or browser extensions could also track your internet usage, so you should remove it as soon as possible. How to remove a Google Redirect virus? The first step of removing the Google Redirect virus is checking the installed program list. There might be a suspicious application causing the redirect. Click on Start and type Control Panel. Click on it to open. Now click on Uninstall a program under the Programs category. You will see the list of all installed programs on your PC. Now carefully observe every program and remove the suspicious ones. You should uninstall the programs that you don't use or don't remember installing. To remove them, select the program and click on Uninstall Change button. Then follow the instructions to remove it. Remove suspicious Chrome extensions. In this step, you need to remove the suspicious extensions from the Chrome. Open Menu. Hover the mouse over More Tools. Now click on Extensions. Now you will see the list of all extensions on a new page. Now, carefully observe each extension and remove the ones that you don't need or don't remember installing. To remove them, click Remove button and then confirm your action. Reset your browser. If you reset your browser, all the modified settings and installed extensions get deleted. On Google Chrome, open Settings. Here on the left side, click on Advanced. Then click on Reset and Clean Up. Then click on Restore Settings to their original defaults. Now click on Reset Settings. To reset Microsoft Edge, open Settings. From the left side, click on Reset Settings. Then click on Restore Settings to their default values. Now confirm your action. Check the host file. The redirect virus could also modify the host file on your system, making it more challenging to remove. To check your host file, click on Start, type Notepad. Right-click on it, then select Run as Administrator. Click Yes if prompted. Now click on the File menu and select Open. Now select all files here. Then browse your system drive, Windows, System32, Drivers, and then etc. Here you will see the host file. Select it and then click on Open. You need to ensure that it doesn't have anything after this line that you didn't add. If there is something, you need to delete that. Now click on File and Save. Scan with MalwareFox Antimalware. Browser hijackers are stubborn. They hide in your system and don't go easily. You need to scan your PC with MalwareFox Antimalware. It will scan your PC deeply and find browser hijackers, unwanted extensions, adware, spyware, and Trojans. Download and install it from the link in the description. Run the scan. Then remove the detected threats. That's it for this video. If it does help you, press the like button and share the video with your friends. We keep uploading videos related to computer security, so subscribe to our channel and press the bell button to make sure you don't miss anything.